was going through?
Not to my knowledge. Not to my knowledge. I was a friend of theirs, but let me tell you one thing. Last time I met them was about a month and a half back, before this incident. So it was not that I was meeting them on daily basis. Not to my knowledge.
And the Congress says that Subramaniam Swamy should back his allegations against Shashi Tharoor with substantial evidence. This is what we are getting to hear from Abhishek Manu Singhvi of the Congress.
I think this is a very serious investigation. Any criminal matter is a serious investigation. The rights of the individuals, of all persons, are sacrosanct. But in particular, a 302 investigation is very serious. I don't think everybody on the street should start commenting on such matters. And the second question legitimately arises, if the allegation is that Mr. Tharoor is keeping quiet, then why don't you speak? You are aware of everything. You have documents which Mr. Tharoor doesn't have. I think you should speak. And it's your obligation to tell the police what you know.
And this is the breaking news we are getting to you now. The Supreme Court has extended the stay of the Italian Marine La Torre by another 3 months on medical grounds. And remember, this had been brewing as a big diplomatic standoff also between India and Italy, when India in fact earlier said that they would not allow this stay to be extended. But now we are getting to hear that the Supreme Court has extended the stay of the Italian Marine by another 3 months on medical grounds. He had earlier appealed to the Apex Court to be granted some more time now to appear in this case because he was to undergo a heart surgery. Let's get on more details from Meenakshi. Now, Meenakshi, does this mean the government stands by this view and that is the reason why the Supreme Court has allowed this extension of stay?
Well, absolutely. You know, the government's position has played a critical role in the Marines' extension of stay being permitted by the Supreme Court. Clearly, the government has not objected to such a provision being made for the Italian Marine. You'll recall just 2 days prior to today's hearing, it was the CGI bench which had recused itself from hearing this particular Marines play, saying that it had already decided, wherein the CGI bench had declined such a favor being extended for the Italian Marines. But what is very crucial today is that the government's position has clearly yielded results for the Italian Marine. When the Supreme Court was considering his plea for extension of stay in Italy, the government of India has not opposed this plea, saying that it is not going to oppose it on humanitarian grounds, and therefore the Supreme Court was left with not much of an option but to go ahead and extend the particular Marine stay in Italy by another 3 months.